Hi everyone, I would like to give the presentation on exploring cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime, a continuing case study for the nation. Abstract earlier, we presented a case study of cybercrime with regard to violation of the State Emblem of India Prevention of Improper Use Act 2005. Now we present the same case with regard to two more crimes: cheating crime, sedition crime. The culprit organization J&H JAC, which has been operational in J&H University over the last many years, perpetrated them overtly or covertly. We present a few snapshots of the culprit websites of homepage from Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool for internet archiving of websites. The snapshot captures evidence of the usage of cheating and seditious government of Telangana, to which the JDH Jack claims belongingness. They serve as a cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime towards positive makeup of public opinion, national integration, and academic development. So, introduction. In a civilized nation like India, legislators make acts. Acts are bills passed by the legislatures. Even prior to independent India, there were codes of law such as CRPC and IPC which are extant. Also, there are laws such as labor law, law of torts, company law, etc. Crime means violation of act or code or law. Cybercrime is one that violates similarly but using web as the medium. Often, cybercrimes are difficult for handling and are elusive to proof of evidence. Sometimes, however, cognizable evidence of cybercrimes cannot be laid. The cyber forensics experts. In our earlier work, we presented a case study of crime that was violation of state emblem of India, improper improper usage act. In this paper, cheating crime and sedition crime are presented. Two more cyber crimes with regard to organized group in JNTH by FCS GOT and JNTH JAC. However, India has experienced many a cyber crime. For example, we presented in paper 6 and 7. The crime of violation of SCI was attributed to JNTH JAC. In this paper, we highlight that a GOT was on records in the website of JNTH JAC, which used in its logo mention of Government of Telangana during the years 2011, 12, 13, and in the first half of year 2014. This is termed as TSNIC in contrast with PGOT. The rest of the paper is organized as follows. Section 2 gives brevity about Internet Archiving and Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool. Section 3 captures the snapshots of culprit websites, homepage, and analysis of time spent during which the culprit GOT crimes were prevalent. Section 4 concludes the paper. Internet Archiving. The Internet Archive does the function of archiving based on non-profit motto. It provides free public access to the old status of websites as saved on certain chosen dates. Internet Archive's data is collected automatically by its web crawlers. Its web crawler works to preserve as much of the public web as possible. Its web archive. The Wayback Mission contains over 150 billion web captures. It is useful in checking cyber crimes. Homepage and an analysis of the time span during which the culprit Government of Telangana crimes were present. Section 4 concludes the paper. Wayback Mission, a web crawler tool. The Internet Archive Wayback Mission is a tool to capture snapshots of home pages, sites online. It is an automated system to generate an archive that contains crawls archives of websites. As of 1st July 2015, it contains 23 petabytes of data. Its current growth rate is 50 to 60 terabytes a week. In other words, Internet Archive Wayback Mission is a service that allows people to visit archived versions of websites. Users of the tool can type in URL of website under consideration just as they give search word in internet search engines such as Google. Users can select a date range and then serve an archived version of the website under consideration. Capturing snapshots of the culprit's website homepage. 8 snapshots of the culprit's website are shown below for the period of 12th November 2011 to 17th May 2014. They are the results of the web crawling. They are dated 12th November 2011, 26th February 2012, 10th June 2013, 6th October 2013, 8th Jan 2014, 17th May 2014 as per the automated web crawler by Wayback Mission. The first 7 web crawlers captured an image with a logo on the right hand side which contains Indian national emblem. This is a cybercrime already reported in earlier work. Also, we find mention of government of Telangana in the logo on the right hand side. This is not only CGOT but also SGOT. This FGOT is misleading and cheating the nation. The logo is part of the image during the years 2011 to 14. It cannot be ruled out that the CGOT, SGOT, FGOT works in the background or underground or parallelly now. In 8th web crawler, the image with the logo is found removed. Subsequent to the date of the 8th crawler, the website removed the cybercrime content in the website. The table below indicates that the cybercrimes of online cheating and online sedition were committed by the CSGOT during the years 2014, that is nearly 3 years. So we see the paper, we see the graphical table representation of 6 snapshots, serial number, snapshots number, date and month, year, cybercrime evidence presented in the culprit website or not. Whether the cybercrime is presented in the culprit website or not, that will indicating in the table, in the form of table. And then these are the snapshots of homepage, culprit website homepage, which has taken from the homepage of the culprit website through the Wayback Mission, that is web crawler. So these are the different snapshots have been taken, was taken from culprit website homepage in different dates. So finally, conclusions and future scope. The culprit GOT is involved in 3 crimes altogether clearly. In this paper, sedition crime and cheating crimes are highlighted. Over the year 2011-14, these 2 crimes were ignored in the sense that no FIR was registered despite complaint. Using Wayback Mission web archiving tool, the instances of web crawlers are retrieved. These data show that these 2 crimes were perpetrated against the nation. The 6 snapshots clearly shows clues to prove the crimes of culprit GOT. Such organized crimes are threats to the national spirit and national integration in India. If online culprit GOT is spread, it will set wrong precedents and such crimes tend to recur. It becomes a vicious cycle. Therefore, such as cheating, fake, seditious government should be prohibited. We attempted to remedy the situation by making available guidance and counseling webpage to make transparent to the general public issues involving cybercrimes against the nation. The cyber forensics captured could serve the trail of cybercrimes as the cyber police are expected to produce the results of this kind as evidence to check the further cybercriminal activity in continuation. The approach serves in educating the general public and those in the academic environment to abstain from such cybercrimes. The public opinion is geared up in the right direction and serves to promote national integration by checking the wrong side of separatism. The work has immense future scope with regard to the cyber forensics. As the charge sheet with regard to the crime was filed, the trial is in the last page. The work can easily be carried forward for future advancements and research in ICT, cyber police organization, cyber forensics, cyber ethics, and jurisprudence. These are the references we used for this paper. Thank you.